stick around to see how we made this easy St. Patrick's Day hat in about 3 easy steps and under 10 minutes. So quick, so easy, you'll want to do this. Stay tuned.
What a wonderful world.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we are making a St. Patrick's Day hat, and you want to start off by grabbing a cup. We have a styrofoam cup from Chick-fil-A, and we're going to go ahead and color this green. Now for the brim of the hat, you want to have a green plate. So I was basically telling her to finish coloring the plate green and spreading it on this plate, but she wanted to paint 2 plates. So I actually got her a little activity where she could make some 4-leaf clovers. So I was trying to show her how to make some 4-leaf clovers. But basically all you're doing is taking a paint dabber and you're making 4 circles next to each other. That's the 4-leaf clover, and then drawing a stem like that. Now let's see if she can actually do this. Check this out. I still think it turned out gorgeous. So, all right, let's get back to the hat. So now that your hat is dry and your plate is dry, just cut the center circle out like you see me doing here. Now this part is optional. You don't have to cut the bottom out, but I am actually going to put string on the hat so it can keep it on her head. So I'm actually going to cut the center out so that it could actually look like a hat. And then you're going to see me hot glue some string in the center. Oh, and also I'm going to apply some decorations. So if you want to decorate your hat, just get a strip of black construction paper. You're going to wrap it around where the brim of the hat is. So you're going to apply some hot glue, wrap it around, and then you're going to use some yellow construction paper to make the buckle. And ladies and gentlemen, that is it. Our hat is done. Where the party at? Because we need to go to the St. Patrick's Day party. But yeah, this was super duper fun, and I hope you guys are enjoying your ride here on this craft train with us. So Make sure you stick around to see some more videos and tag us when you guys make your beautiful hat. I want to see what they look like. All my information is in the description box below. And I will see you guys tomorrow for a book-inspired craft. Bye. Have a good day.